Welcome to the Data Significant YouTube channel, where we share free knowledge with data professionals like you. By the way, my name is Jean Joseph. I'm a data engineer and work for Microsoft as a technical trainer. In this video, I will explain and demonstrate how you can leverage Synapse Serverless SQL Pool to do basic data discovery and exploration against your CSV files that sit on top of your data lake. Just a quick reminder to stay up to date with my latest videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's jump to my laptop. I already have Synapse Studio open and have my script ready to be used. You can clearly see I am connected to Synapse Serverless SQL Pool and my database context is Synapse Serverless DB, correct? This is my files that sit under this data lake. So if I want to query this, all I have to do is to leverage OpenWorkset to allow me to read that data from my data lake. Things you need to understand: the header and the basis data happen to be part of your result set. So therefore, you can clearly see that the header serverless SQL pool was not able to automatically detect it. So you will need to handle that. There's two ways you can handle that. If you do not need the header, you want to skip it, you can leverage what we call first row equal to 2. In my case, I know it's 2. So take a look. You, you will see that the header will be gone. So now we don't have the header. Great. How cool is this? Consider that if we want the header, what can we do? We can click here and then we say header row is equal to 2. Once we say is equal to 2, if we query this, guess what happened? We will see that serverless is able to detect the header, because once you say it's equal to 2, what it's going to do is to grab the first row and consider it as the header and populate everything else as the data. Other things you need to understand when you're dealing with CSV files, you also need to take in consideration the colon data type. Why am I saying this? Even though serverless is not smart enough to auto detect your data type, it will assign some data type to your colon. And those, it's what it's going to do. It will go and use the max to prevent truncation. So therefore, that can impact performance and and also costs. Why would I say cost? Because you are being charged by the amount of the data processes. So let's take a look. When I execute this, you can clearly see everything is big N, VACA 8000 for date. We know date will never be VACA 8000, right? We know, for example, shift date will never be VACA 8000. Let's take a look at another one. We know sales order number will never be VACA 8000, right? So what we can do, we can explicitly tell the serverless SQL pool that here's the data type I want you to apply before you query that file. Take a look. You can do that with what we call the with clause. The with clause allows you to specify the colon and the data type. As you can see, I changed the sales order number to VACA 20. If you remember, you have to say it here, it is VACA 8000, right? So if I execute this, take a look. Now I have my result. Not only it gives me access to specify the number of colons that I want to return, but it gives me access as well to specify the data type. How cool is this? Let's verify if whatever we did match or meets our expectations. We're gonna leverage the same store procedure, SP describe first value, first result set, right? And then we're gonna this is the same query above. So let's go and execute this, and let's see if we will have varchar 20 and date. You can see now we have date, varchar 20, and numeric 18 too. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And also, it would be great if you could have shared your satisfactions with me. Moreover, if you do have any specific topics you want me to talk about, please let me know.